Hello everyone, my name is Lakshay and I hope you all are doing well. So today we will be studying that how can we count the number of nodes in a given linked list. So let us begin. So as you can see, I have taken a linked list with 4 nodes. So these are the data parts in each of the nodes, and these are the address part which is containing the address of the next node. Like our first node's next part is pointing to our second node, and our second node's next part is pointing to our third node, and so on, and our last node will point to null. So for counting the number of nodes in our linked list, we will take a new node. I'm naming it as current, and I'm initializing it as our head node. This is our head node, first node, and I'm taking a count variable and initializing it as 0. So for counting the number of nodes, we will simply run a while loop till our current is not equals to null, and then we will move this current node to current's next part so that it can traverse through the whole linked list easily. And for counting the nodes, we will simply increment our count variable, and after completing this function, we will return our count variable. So now the explanation part is over. So now I'm moving to the coding part. So let me open the VS Code first. So first I'm writing the basic syntax, and now I'm making a class name as node, making it as public class and initializing the members. And for inserting the nodes in the linked list, I'm taking insert and end function. You can choose either insert at end or insert at front function. So now I'm initializing our head as null, and I am making the insert at end function, in which I'm going to pass our head and a new data. I'm making a new node, node star new node is equals to new node, inserting the data in our new node, and we will initialize our new nodes next to null and checking if our head is equals to null. Then we will make our new node as head node and return from here. Else we will take a new node name as node star last node, initializing last as head node, and we will run a while loop till our last next is not equals to null. Our last is equals to last next, and in our last next we will pass our new node. So our inserted end function is completed. Now I'm making our int get count function. In that we will pass our head and we will pass our head, and now I'm making a new node name as current, initializing it as head, and I'm taking a variable name as count and initializing it as 0. So while our current is not equals to null, we will move our current to current's next part, and we will simply increment our count function, and after coming out of this while loop, we will return our count variable. So our function part is completed. Now I'm inserting the values, passing the address of head and value as 1. So I'm taking 4 nodes, value 4, 3, 2, and now for printing the linked list, I'm making print list function, in which we're gonna take a node name as node, and while our node is not equals to null, we will print our node's data part separated by space and move our node to node's next part so that it can traverse through the whole linked list. So this part is complete, and now we will see out given linked list. We will call our print list function for printing the linked list, passing the head. Now we will call our count function, see out number of nodes in the linked list is get count, passing head. So our program is completed. Let me run the program. So Control S, So as you can see, given linked list is 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 nodes in this linked list. So number of nodes in the linked list. So that's all for today. In the next video, we will study more programs related to linked list. So till then, thank you and bye-bye.